Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing really well. Welcome back. I am your favorite YouTuber and favorite person overall. So today I'm going to be talking about the difference between thinking from and thinking of. Now this was coined by Neville Goddard. I was watching a video from Indigo D-Tree and I will have that video in the card up above. It really simplified everything and really made it stick in my head, the example that she provided, so I will be talking about that in today's video. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things self-development, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. So we all know that you have to be manifesting from, not manifesting of. For example, if you're manifesting of, you are manifesting as the person who doesn't have this thing and you are wanting it. I want 100,000 followers on Instagram, for example. If you're thinking of, you are thinking as the person who doesn't have 100,000 Instagram followers. You're saying that to get it, right? Instead of being the person that has the 100,000 followers on Instagram right now, and you are just reminding yourself, I have 100,000 Instagram followers, and you already embody the person that right now has it. So you're not chasing after it, you already have it right now. And the affirmation and the thought, both the same thing, is you just reminding yourself that that's really cool, I have 100,000 Instagram followers. Right now I am NY Deputy Head of Video at Daily Mail, and every single day I'm really grateful for that fact. A year after, that still brings me this excitement, this brings me like I don't know, joy, and that's not an affirmation for me to get there because I already have it, but I'm still thinking about it and I'm still like, wow, right? So we want to be manifesting from, whether you're visualizing or affirming or doing sats, you are doing it as the person. You're not even embodying the person. You are the person that has 100,000 followers on Instagram. So this is the example that she gave, Indigo D-Tree. Again, links will be down below. This is the example that she gave. If you have these sunglasses on your head and you are saying, I have sunglasses on my head, I have sunglasses on my head. Are you thinking of or are you thinking from? No, no, no. All right, time's up. You are thinking from. You are the person that already has these sunglasses on your head and you are saying, I have these sunglasses on my head. Whereas thinking of is, they're gone and you're saying, I have these sunglasses, where are these sunglasses, I have these sunglasses. No, you already have the sunglasses on your head right now, right? We already have these sunglasses, and that is exactly how you manifest from and not of. Another example that she provided, I have this phone, right? I know that I have this phone, so I am saying I have the iPhone 12, I have the iPhone 12. I'm still desiring it. If I didn't desire it, I would go out and get a new one, but I desire this one. It's constantly assisting me in my day-to-day life, so of course I'm going to desire something even if I have it right now. I have my iPhone right now. That's a fact. What would happen if you don't have an iPhone and you're saying, I have this iPhone, I have this iPhone? You are still thinking incorrectly. You have this iPhone. You have this SP. You have the 100,000 Instagram followers right now. You have it right now. No ifs, ands, or buts. You just have it and that's it. There's no doubts, there's no questions, there's no worries. You have it. That's it. This isn't a technique. This is not an embodiment of the person. You have your desire right now, period. You will be thinking as the person who has 100,000 followers on Instagram. You'll be feeling as the person that has 100,000 followers on Instagram. You don't have any doubts, because why would you have doubts if you have 100,000 followers on Instagram, right? Why would I have doubts that I don't have my iPhone if I have my iPhone? Every impulse that you have everything that you think about, every interaction that you have with people will root from the concept, from the state of you already having 100,000 followers. You will start getting ideas about how to post as someone who has 100,000 followers. And I'm not saying that your actions are going to produce this manifestation. No matter if it's your impulse, your inspired action, or if it is a sequence of events, someone gives you advice, or you post this one thing, or if it's literally just someone from BTS sharing your story. It does not matter how it will happen. I started manifesting being super fit, and I didn't know how I was going to join Equinox. I thought it was like a distant desire in my head because I was super uncomfortable at Planet Fitness. I was super uncomfortable at Blink and at Crunch. I've tried all the gyms in New York. Equinox is the one that was in my heart, in my soul, in my body, like everything. I became the person who, I go to Equinox, and it happened. I was living with a roommate at the time who was going to NYU, and at that time when I decided to sign up, they gave me a discount because they give discounts to people who live with NYU students, or you are an NYU student, and they just asked me for her NYU email. On top of that, I have an American Express Platinum card, and you get $25 off each month as well on top of that. And I went in there, no plan B, I don't care, it's not about the 3D. I just went in there and I was like, I am a member of Equinox. I belong here. And that's exactly what happened. I've been going to Equinox for almost a year. Joined in January, it's now November. I was constantly putting you guys, yes, you guys, on the pedestal. I have to cater to my YouTube subscribers this way. I have to put a YouTube thumbnail this way. I have to talk in this way. I have to upload exactly at 11 a.m. EST, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, whatever. I had to be more interesting. I had to talk faster. I had to cut every 2 seconds and delete the ambulances and delete the ums and the ahs because I wasn't good enough. But when I let all of that go and I just said, I have this amount of subscribers and I'm in that state constantly, and so no matter what happens, no matter if I have a negative thought or whatever, that doesn't matter because I have this amount of subscribers. The sky is blue. Next, it doesn't even matter if I say something negative because it's just a thought. Like, it's just like me saying I'm Britney Spears. Like, it's obviously not true. I don't associate with that thought because I'm someone who has this amount of subscribers. Make sure to like this video because why would you not like this video? Like, obviously. So I love you guys so much and I will see you in the next one. Peace.